Promotion comes from God. That is our encouragement for today. I know throughout my videos I've had promotion comes from God as a prayer point as well. And today it is not a prayer point, it is an encouragement to you, ladies. Psalm 75, verse 6 till 7 says, "For exaltation comes neither from the east, nor from the west, nor from the south, but God is the judge. He puts down one and exalts another." So I want to encourage you this morning, and I want to tell you that many people spend their lives chasing approval, but we are not many people. We are sons and daughters of God. They try to impress the right people. They try to gain favor with those in authority. And they do sketchy and weird things, man. And they worry about who likes them and who doesn't. But the Bible teaches us something different. And we, as children of God, we stand on the Bible. Promotion, ultimately, it comes from God. This doesn't mean that we stop working hard. We still show up and we work as unto the Lord within our daily lives. It doesn't mean we stop developing our skills. We still equip and we still educate ourselves. Okay. It doesn't mean we stop pursuing opportunities. We still send out our resumes. We believe for better, for bigger, and for greater. Okay. It means we stop believing that people have the final say over our destinies. Your boss doesn't hold the promotion in your hand. Your manager doesn't hold that thing in your hand. Okay. The bank doesn't hold the thing that you're trusting for in your hand, but God does. Okay. God has the final say, not the doctor, not the report, but God. Okay. Your creator, your father. A manager can overlook you, a client can reject you, a door can close unexpectedly in your life, or not even open at all. Yet none of these things can stop what God has already planned for your life. When God decides it's your season, no person can prevent it from happening. So remain faithful where you are. Serve as unto the Lord. That's very important. Continue serving with excellence as well. Trust God with the outcome. The same God who promoted Joseph, from prison to palace, is still working today in my and your life. So I want you to declare over your life as I declare over mine. My promotion comes from God. No obstacle can stop His purpose for my life. And I want you to go throughout this week knowing that promotion comes from God. The Word of God says that when the time is right, that I, the Lord, will make it happen. So stand on His word that when the promotion is needed, the promotion will happen. God is a faithful Father, ladies. Until our next video, bye.